Hello, welcome back. In creating an irresistible portfolio, your key needs, some have been mentioned in the last video. For one, organize and categorize. Categorize your work into logical sections. Make it easy for visitors to navigate. Use clear headings and labels for each category. This one is clearly telling you that when you are designing your portfolio website, you should know how to categorize your work. Now, which leads us to the number two, tell a story. Don't just present your work as isolated pieces. Tell a story about each project. Explain the problem, your solution, the challenges you faced, and the results. People connect with stories. Don't forget to talk about storytelling the other time. So in your portfolio, each work that you will post or that you display should tell us about the work. You don't just put the work there, you don't just place the work and then feel that okay, you've done something or you've created a portfolio. No, in that picture, what are the information that you would like us to know? Maybe the challenges that you face, why creating it. You have to be very short and brief about it. You have to be very brief about it. We don't need you to tell us in full details how the work stressed you and all of that. Just some important highlights, those are what we need, and then your role in creating that particular work. Use high quality visuals. Ensure that your portfolio includes high resolution images or videos or samples of your work. Clear and crisp visuals enhance your presentation. You don't want to use, for example, if you're a photographer, you don't want to use some pictures that are very blurry. No, you have to use high definition pictures. You have to use a good camera to snap whatever it is that you want to post in your portfolio so that will be displayed in your portfolio. And same thing with maybe if you're a designer or whichever category that you belong. Design and layout, the next one. Invest in a visually appealing and user-friendly design for a portfolio. A clean, modern design can make a strong first impression. Ensure that your portfolio is mobile friendly and optimized for search engines. This helps people to find your portfolio and access it from various devices. More than half of the visitors that we have on the internet these days, they come from mobile devices. So that means that you must always optimize your website, whether portfolio or not, for mobile. You need to optimize it for mobile. So and then talking about the search engine, that's why you need to research your industry, the relevant keywords to your industry. So that one will reflect in your title, in your description for search engine to be able to pick it up, and then people so that you can have some organic visitors or organic lead checking your portfolio, and then if they find it interesting, then they contact you. And the next one is branding elements. Incorporate your personal brand elements such as your logo, your color scheme, and typography to maintain consistency with your overall branding. On social media, let's say you establish yourself on social media, you have your color, you have other things in place. So in your portfolio website as well, those colors, that your color, that's your logo, all those things will reflect in your portfolio so that there will be a linkage. We know that we are still dealing with the same person with the same brand. All right. So include testimonials. If applicable, include testimonials or quotes from clients, from colleagues, or supervisors to add credibility to your work. You know, People want to work with people who are credible. So that is why we always need people to talk about us positively. That's why we always need our past clients, our past customers, our colleagues or supervisors to post some things about what we've done for them and how they enjoy what we did for them or the service or whatever it is, product or service. Then highlight achievements. Mention any awards or certifications or recognition you've received. Highlight your achievements and accolades. So whatever it is that maybe you have been certified, so you need to add it there in your portfolio website. Let us see. So all of these things will tell us that is a this person is an important person in this particular industry. This person knows exactly what he is doing and he's very, very standard and it's professional. So all of these things will make your potential clients they will have this high impression. Resume or CV. Attach a downloadable PDF version of your resume or curriculum vitae for those who want to explore your background in more detail. Now, the thing is that this one is not 100% compulsory, but it's actually good if you want to add it. So, in case maybe someone just want to have a PDF version of your CV, so there will be a page where you can just tell them to click more and then see. I'll have to record a video on how to create website or portfolio website so that you can see all of this in practically. Then blog or insights, if relevant, that one also is not too important, but if you want to add it, maintain a blog or insight section where you share your thoughts, industry trends, or updates related to your field. This shows your expertise and dedication. So the essence of creating a separate page for on your portfolio website for your blog purpose is just for you to put in your thoughts, you add your thoughts, and you can even share the link to your blog to some people. Test your portfolio. Ensure that your portfolio is responsive and functions well on various devices and web browsers. Test links and forms to confirm they work correctly. After creating your website, your portfolio website, you need to test it first so that you don't start sharing what will not work. So that you don't start sharing a link that will direct them to a wrong page or a broken link. So keep it updated. That's the next one. Regularly update your portfolio to include new work, experiences, and achievements. Staying current is essential for making a strong impression. You don't want to have some very old version of your work or of yourself in your portfolio because as you are working with new clients, definitely you are getting better. So those new works, those better jobs that you are doing, those better works you should have those ones in place. Or you should have those ones to update the former designs, the former works that you have on your portfolio. So it's a constant thing that will continue to evolve. So call to action, include a clear call to action such as contact me or hire me. Make it easy for visitors to take the next step. Very, very easy. We talked about CTA. So your after displaying all of those things that you want to display your portfolio and all the explanation and everything that you want to have in place, so you should tell them to contact you. That's the essence. So the essence of them checking your portfolio is for them to be able to what is for you guys to be able to work together. Maybe for them to contact you or to hire you, you need to clearly state that the call to action CTA is very, very important. Then the last one is share your portfolio. So promote your portfolio on social media, in your email signature, and on your personal website if you have one. So networking and sharing your work are essential to gaining visibility. So the essence of creating your portfolio is not just to create it for creating sake, it's not just to create it for fancy. You need to start sharing your link, the link to your portfolio, so you can create a portfolio using different means. One of such is to create a website for your portfolio to be a portfolio website. But there are other ways where you can create a portfolio. I'll record a video, practical videos on that. So you need to share the link that will lead to your portfolio. That's the essence for them to be able to see what you've done, what you can do, and then if they are interested and then if they are impressed, then you guys can work together. All right. So see you in the next lesson.